Health Issues and Technology by Blake Reynolds. In our society, technology plays a key role in our everyday activities. It is especially useful for helping to keep people connected and allows us to communicate very effectively. Technology and social media have propelled marketers and businesses to a new level of efficiency, which is also true of many organizations, including professional sports. Social media, particularly, has been a huge advancement, with smart technology serving as the medium for which it operates. However, there is definitely such a thing as too much of a good thing. While social media is an extremely useful tool, there are definitely drawbacks to it. When abused, or used too frequently, or depended on too deeply, there are consequences. The consequences can range from mental illness, mental issues, to physical ailments. Some mental issues that exist when using technology, especially social media, include poor social skills, lower self-esteem, depression, and other mood disorders. Social media can be a mechanism that people rely on in place of interacting in person, and can thus result in a sense of isolation. Light from screens can throw off our circadian rhythms, which can have negative effects like depression and mood disorders. We as a society are experiencing the repercussions for over-reliance on our devices. There are also physical problems that can come from too much technology use. This includes a range of eye issues like eye strains, blurred vision, and dry eye. Phone lights are also increasingly becoming known to harm our vision by damaging our eye retinas. Even a new syndrome called computer vision syndrome has surfaced to diagnose some of these issues. According to top chiropractors, the neck and back are also subject to issues due to strain from poor posture and consistent holding of positions that are bad for the joints and muscles. Mostly affected by these issues are girls, particularly teen girls, who are increasingly reporting issues like low self-esteem and difficulty socializing. According to a Stanford University study, this is a particularly bad issue for girls ages 8 to 12 who spend a lot of time consuming media in an attempt to multitask. The only solution to these issues is to acknowledge technology's many benefits without overindulging. The key to avoiding these problems is to use devices wisely and in moderation, and to focus on losing your dependence on technology. Technology is a profoundly good tool with amazing capabilities, but the user must take caution of the potential dangers of overuse.